Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So in this one, Liam's going to be unboxing the Rode VideoMic NTG, and I'll be covering off a couple of reasons why we believe that if your budget stretches to this is absolutely one of the best microphones that you can possibly get as a new YouTuber, or even something like a Twitch streamer as well. It's an all-around great little microphone that offers so many different features, and I'm going to cover those off now. So let's get on with the video, shall we? So there's a few reasons why we went with the VideoMic NTG, and one of the big reasons for us is the fact that first up, we need to upgrade our audio. So we've been using a Blue Yeti mic for pretty much all of our videos, and we wanted to be able to upgrade our stuff in the future. And one of the things we're going to be doing is getting some actual decent cameras, because currently we're just using the iPhone. And the great thing about this little device is it's really versatile in what you can use it with. So if you are just starting out on YouTube, or if you're starting out as a Twitch streamer, one of the great things is it does include the little 3.5mm cable. So if you want to plug this directly into something like a phone, because that's all you're using at the moment, then you can do that, and you don't need to buy any additional hardware, which is a massive win. Also, for all you streamers and everything out there as well, you've got the USB Type-C cable, so it plugs into here, then plugs directly into your laptop or your computer. So that way you can use this with your PC setup. So if you've just got a webcam and you want to improve your audio, you can do that with this straight away. It's not just a dedicated camera microphone. So there's a couple of really versatile big wins there, which make it absolutely essential, in our opinion at least, for any new streamers or YouTubers. So on the subject of headphone jacks, obviously if you have something like an iPhone, in fact most modern phones now, you will need some kind of 3.5mm adapter to USB Type-C, or to something like a lightning port as well. So just bear that in mind when you pick one of these up. They don't cost much, but it would be really annoying if you bought one of these for those purposes and then you couldn't. Another big win about this device is the simple fact that you can charge up the battery on it, so you don't have to carry numerous spares. Now, some people might like being able to buy spare batteries for the devices, because it just means if you're going on a long trip or something like that, you've got that ability to use it. However, again, because it's USB Type-C, if you get a portable battery, you can then charge this up on the go, which is really good. We watched a lot of different videos and we read all sorts of different reviews, and the general consensus seemed to be that if you've already got one of the Rode mics that's just below this one, there's not really any point in upgrading to this. However, if this is going to be like your first microphone and something that you're brand new to getting, and you can stretch your budget that little bit further, it's definitely worthwhile getting one of these because they are future-proof. One of the great things about this is you do have the slide mechanism on there as well, so that way if you have a camera that is potentially going to get in the way of the eyepiece or just doesn't fit quite right, you can then slide that back and forth, which again is really handy. So we're not doing a full review in this video, and we are going to be having a video where we do a lot of comparisons between something like this and the Blue Yeti mic, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to pass you over to Liam so he can show you an unboxing of this device that I've been playing with, and you can see what it's like up close and personal.
Let me unbox this for the first time. It's going to be a struggle.
Talk to your audience as well.
I will when I can get into the box. So it's packaged very well. No sign of damage here. Just using force. Let's get rid of them. So what comes in the box? So you get the mic itself. Never going to open it. You get some nice Rode official do not eat stuff. Beautiful. You get the instruction booklet, which I don't think we'll need because we're pros. Regulatory and safety. And the actual mic itself, along with very well built. Ooh, USB Type-C cable with Rode's own Velcro strap. And the 3.5 to 3.5mm one. As for the microphone itself, it feels really good. This is metal. There's a good feeling quality. I like this. Can I pull it off? Oh. What do you like to look off more? That one or that one? Oh.
I probably prefer it.
I think I prefer
guard on.
Yeah.
But I think I actually prefer the look of it with it off, but I don't know, something about the guard on just makes
I
it
quite
a
like
bit
the look of the fluffy ones, but I don't know what they do. We'll have to look into
wind
it.
guards. For outside.
Okay, but it's not Harry Potter. Stop doing spells. But yeah, really good quality. It's got the gain knob here. Sean will go into more information about this. And you can move this. I'm not sure how, we'll have to look into it, but you can move this up and down so it fits on your camera a bit more.
And it also unclips from that.
And it unclips. Oh yeah, did I just pull? Ooh. There we go. That's a funky looking thing without anything, isn't it?
Mm.
But yeah, there we go. Rode mic.
So there's a couple of reasons why we chose this over something like the VideoMic Pro Plus. And one of the first ones is obviously that USB Type-C there, giving it that more versatility when it comes down to things. Also, like I mentioned, we have done quite a lot of research on it because we wanted to make sure we've got the right microphone for our setup, especially when we're starting to upgrade the hardware and everything. And the general consensus seemed to be that although the Pro Plus did a really good job, and it's definitely more than up to scratch, this just edged it out that little bit. So the VideoMic Pro Plus does have a big win in the fact it's got a much larger battery capacity. So if you're going to be out and shooting in the field and you're going to be away from a power outlet, then that might be something that you need to consider. You can also replace it with AA batteries, which again is a win, whereas this you have to charge it up. Like I mentioned earlier, you can plug it in with a USB Type-C, so if you take a portable battery pack with you, you can use it that way. But bear in mind that if you run out of battery, it's got about 30 hours on this thing, then you might get a bit stuck. So as always, we really hope you've enjoyed that video, and if you have, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button because it just really helps the channel to grow. If you've got any questions about this microphone or any tests that you'd like us to do, be sure to pop them down in the comments below and we will do our best to make sure we answer those. In the meantime, stay safe and we'll be back in the future with some more awesome content. Bye!